It stands as the decisive arm of the modern battlefield. Field Marshal Alan Brooke, Britain's top general, noted that artillery would ultimately win the war. In World War II, no force believed in artillery's might more than the U.S. Army. American artillery acted as the great equalizer, capable of shattering any defensive line or enemy assault. Yet a massive gun is merely heavy steel if it cannot reach the fight. Early on, moving these giants was a grueling logistical nightmare. While the German blitzkrieg still depended on over 1 million horses for artillery transport, America engineered a different path. It wasn't a tank or a standard truck, but a purpose-built mechanical beast. This is the chronicle of the M4 high-speed tractor, the unglamorous essential hero that allowed American artillery to dominate. To grasp the M4's genius, one must first understand the ancient struggle of mobility it resolved. For centuries, heavy guns were fundamentally static, moved by slow horse teams or inadequate trucks. Once placed, they remained for weeks, becoming easy targets for enemy aircraft and counter-battery fire. In a war of rapid movement, by the time big guns were set, the battle had often shifted miles away. Observing European failures, the U.S. Army committed to total mechanization for every branch. For the field artillery, this required a new class of vehicle, a high-speed, fully tracked prime mover that could keep pace with armored divisions. Designed by Alice Chalmers, the M4 was a triumph of industrial pragmatism. Rather than starting from scratch, engineers utilized the proven M3 Stuart light tank chassis, a brilliant move for the arsenal of democracy. It featured the reliable VVSS suspension and narrow tracks of the Stuart. Its 210 horsepower Waukesha engine was mid-mounted, ensuring perfect weight distribution for towing heavy loads without the front end lifting. Standardized parts made the M4 exceptionally reliable and easy to field repair. Weighing 14 tons, it was a self-contained mobile gun section, housing an 11-man crew and a massive ammunition supply. Armed with a .50 caliber Browning for defense and hitting 35 miles per hour, it easily tracked with armored columns. Its agility allowed crews to unhitch, fetch more ammo, or rapidly shift sectors. The M4 towed the most vital American weapons, including the 90mm anti-aircraft gun and the heavy 8-inch howitzer. Its most iconic partner was the 155mm M1 Long Tom, a premier heavy field gun. This revolutionized artillery warfare, enabling shoot-and-scoot tactics. A battery could fire a devastating barrage and relocate before the enemy could pinpoint their position and return fire. The M4's impact spanned every front, from the muddy peaks of Italy to the rapid dash across France with Patton's tanks. Hundreds were also supplied to Allied forces via the Lend-Lease program. Rugged and overbuilt, the M4's story continued long after 1945 in civilian roles. Though unglamorous, it was the linchpin of American dominance, a symbol of victory through superior logistics. What's your favorite support vehicle?